The day has finally arrived where I'll be potting my chili peppers. So I have about, I think, 18 to 20 peppers to pot in all of these pots that I've prepared earlier, about a week ago. And now I just have to pot all my exotic peppers over. Once I'm finished, I'll show you the end result, and let me show what I do for every single pepper that I'm going to plant next. Okay, the first one to go in, let's see who's the first sucker. The mustard pepper. So I can't remember if it's mustard habanero or mustard pepper, but I'll put it up on the screen. Just taking out the label. Gonna be a bit harsh. I wet them before I did this. There's one nice seedling. Then what I'm gonna do is gonna add some bone meal to that hole. Get the organic fertilizer. I have a sample that I'm still using. Just a few. Gonna add it to the hole. Make a nice hole there. And plant my pepper. So yeah, here's first pepper of about 20. Progress video. What I figured out is I have to make pre-holes and then I can just quickly pop them in each one of them. Here's a cherry pepper. What do we have there? Kyotisan, my reaper. After months of preparing, I'm finally finished with all my peppers. I've potted them, added some bone meal, some fertilizer, and now I just mulch them quickly. And then the largest is at the back for now to not block out the sun. And I think they will grow very dramatically over the next few weeks because it's getting really hot here. Let me go over my collection. I have a Tabasco there, a jumbo red, orange bell pepper, another orange bell, bishop's crown, Kyotisan, cherry pepper, the fine, a red point F1, a Cape cherry, Chinese 5-color, terrestrial chocolate, something like that, green pepper, Carolina reaper. What is this? This is a mustard chili. There's two of them. Chocolate. Oh no, this is a green pepper, chocolate habanero, ghost pepper, and orange habanero. Let me label the others before I forget, because that will happen. And then the only sad one left, it did not die but germinated, was the picante. I'm going to leave it here. Hopefully it will germinate. I think it was overgrown by the rest. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and hopefully we'll have a good pepper season.